my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 desktop icon slow loading problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing on your Windows 11 desktop icon slow loading problem, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your disk. In this, you need to open local disk C. Here you need to find users. You can see users. You need to open this one, and you have to open your user. What your name for your user account. Just open this one. After that, you need to open app data. After that, you need to open this local folder. In this, you need to find Microsoft. You can see Microsoft. You need to open this one. Guys, after that, you need to find Windows folder. Just open Windows folder. Here you need to find Explorer. You can see here Explorer. Just open this one. Guys, you can see icon catcher. There are multiple files by this name. You have to delete all this icon catcher name file. Select all this file and delete. After deleting, restart your PC, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Click on start menu, then type here register editor. Click on register editor. Click on yes to allow. Guys, here you need to open HKey local machine. Just expand this one. After that, you need to open software. Double click on software. In this, you need to find Microsoft. Just press M key. You can see here Microsoft. You need to double click on that. After that, you need to find Windows. Just press W key. You can see here Windows. Just double click on Windows. Guys, in this you need to find current version. You can see here current version. Just double click on that. In this you need to find Explorer. Press E key. You can see here Explorer. Just click on Explorer and come to the right section. Here you need to right click and click on string value, max cached icon. And click to save. Just double click on this and rename the value data as 4096. Click OK to save. After doing this, restart your PC and hope your slow loading problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 desktop icon slow loading problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.